if you're going to do a bit of physics at home, which I highly recommend, a simple experiment you can do is making your own electromagnet. The easiest way to do that is with a nail, which I've got here, which you wrap around with a bunch of wire, and it's literally just wire that you can get anywhere. I stripped this out of an old mobile phone charger. You also need a battery. I recommend AA. And in doing so, you also want to have an elastic band, and there's a reason for this, and I'll explain later. So, electromagnetism is the interaction between electricity, when you generate a current, and the magnetic field that that current produces. As a current flows through this wire, it generates a magnetic field going through the nail. If you're using the nail as an iron core, which in this case it is, it will become the magnet and it will expand that magnetic field. To start out, you can see that this nail is not magnetic, so there's a tiny bit of residual magnetism in it, but it's not massively magnetic. It will maybe pick up one because I've done this a couple of times using this nail, but generally it won't pick up very much at all. If, however, you take the ends of the wire and put it into the battery to make a circuit, you have now converted this nail into an electromagnet. And to prove that, you can pick up quite a few paper clips with it. The more coils you put through, the bigger the magnet becomes. The more wire you put around it, the bigger the battery will become a stronger electromagnet. In this case, it's a small one, so it will pick up a few paper clips, but when you turn it off and remove the wire from it, it stops becoming an electromagnet, which is the advantage of an electromagnet in the first place.